Day 5 of the 14-day Passive Income Challenge. My name is Chaim Ekstein and I'm super excited having you with me. Today we're going to discuss another element of the leverage part of the ALM model: attract, leverage, and manage. And today we're going to discuss healthy leverage versus unhealthy leverage. Stay tuned and come with me. Healthy leverage versus unhealthy leverage. Although leverage could help you a lot in your passive income planning, but you have to make sure that you focus only on healthy leverage and you stay away as far as possible from unhealthy leverage, which can chas v'shulam destroy your life. And we don't want that. We want to build you. We don't want the opposite. What is healthy leverage? I'll give you a few examples. It gives you tax benefits. Besides helping you and building your passive income plan, you have some tax benefits. You have healthy arbitrage. You pay a certain amount of money for your money, let's say 3%. From the other side, you can earn 10%. That means it gives you a net of 7% above of what you're paying. That could potentially be healthy. Unhealthy, paying for Visa 25, 30%, crazy interest rates, and having no deduction on that, and then taking that money and investing it somewhere that will give you a lot of risk and not even give you what you're paying for MasterCard and Visa. That's unhealthy leverage. So it's very important, super important, when you build your passive income plan foundation, you should understand when you're focusing on leverage, only focus on healthy leverage and stay away as far as possible from unhealthy leverage. And this way, B'Ezras Hashem, you're going to be able to succeed with your passive income life foundation. Thanks for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you for the entire time on the 14-day Passive Income Challenge.